All right, so you guys asked for it. Here it is, a tour of our Airstream Globetrotter. And of course, the Spicy Apron is about food, fitness, and fun in our 50s. And today's video is part of the fun. Come on in. Now, I know you guys have all seen my pictures and videos of the outside, but just so you see over here, there's this beautiful awning up there. Over here in that little sitting area, that is where we sit a lot of the time. We listen to music. We have our little portable, I don't know if you can see it, campfire, propane campfire there. But I know what you really want is to see the inside. So let's go. Okay, here we go. Okay, so honestly, this is 27 feet long. So it'll probably take about 30 seconds. As we walk in, this is the lovely entryway. I'm trying to give you a good perspective. Let me flip the camera around and you'll get a better view. Okay, so when you walk in, you see these beautiful windows, including the upper windows. I love those. And our sitting area, and yes, that is our little booze stand over there, because, you know. And you've got this lounge area. And then the table, this is obviously where we do our work. And this is where I sit to do all of my work. And every morning I get to look out these gorgeous windows. And we are in beautiful, beautiful Colorado. Love it. Okay, so that was the seating area right here, right when you walk in. And now if we turn, you can see the rest of the RV. And I will turn the camera around and show you some of my favorite features in just a minute. Again, this is the Airstream Globetrotter, 27 foot with a queen bed in the front. So this is the door where you walk in, and then the kitchen is right over here. You can see I need to go to the grocery store because I have, let's see what I have. Garlic and a little ginger. That's it. Yes, right after I film this, I'm actually heading down to the grocery store. So this is the kitchen, and I love the beautiful cabinetry. Let me see if I can open the drawers and show you. So that's obviously where I keep all my cups. And then some of the bigger bowls and plates. Also, this here, I love this, is my Nespresso recycling bag. Yes, I do recycle them. Okay, back up on the counter. And speaking of Nespresso, yes, there's my Nespresso maker and also my SodaStream, two essentials when you're out camping. And now, of course, would be a great time for a shameless plug for my RV cookbook. Yes, it is called RV Cooking Made Easy. And you guys, I'm super proud of this book. A lot of thought went into it. It's got some great features too, just from a physical standpoint. It's got lay flat spiral bound, so you can just lay it right on your RV countertop. And it is loaded with 100 fantastic camping recipes. So please check it out. I will put a link to it below. Again, it is called RV Cooking Made Easy, and you can find it at Barnes & Noble and mostly Amazon. That's where most people buy it. And I will put that link below. And then we've got the cooktop, and I have a cutting board that I absolutely love on top of the cooktop. I've got my magnetic knives, and there's the oven, and of course more storage space. And one of the things I love about this Airstream is the amazing storage space. So these are the kitchen cabinets. I think you can probably see in there. Over here I've got my pots and my pans, and there is also a lot of storage over here just to the left of the cooktop. It does have a microwave. I actually don't use a microwave very much, but it is kind of nice to have in a pinch. And then here is some of the pantry storage, which I love. It's very, I love the shelves, the roll-out shelves. It's super organized. And then just more pantry. Yes, that's my black box of wine. But I do have sourdough bread to go with it. So, you know, that's not too bad. And more storage up there. So that's the kitchen. And now we're going to turn quickly just to show you the refrigerator freezer. It is 12 volt and it is actually very efficient. We were worried about not having propane, but it's 12 volt, very efficient. We never have an issue with power. So it's fantastic. All right, now we're going to go to the bedroom, but first, the bathroom. That's a little hard to get this in, but that is the shower. Let me open it. See if you can see in there. I love the teak floor. That is awesome. And your regular shower head. And right across from the shower is the bathroom. And it's, again, like all things Airstream, it's very efficient. Just got your sink. There's no way I can film a mirror without me being in it. And you've got the mirror, obviously, and some storage there. And of course, towel racks, toilets, your standard stuff. One little feature that's kind of nice because it is a tight squeeze is that the door opens both ways, so it's not in the way. Also, people ask about this. There is a curtain here that opens. So that curtain gives you privacy for the shower bath combination. So our neighbors across the way don't actually have to see me. All right, next up, the bedroom, which is behind me. You can pretty much see it all there, but I'll turn the camera around and tell you a little bit about it. Okay, there is the bed. It is a queen size bed. It is super, super comfortable. I think we got lucky. I think there was an upgraded bed in this one. On this side, it has nightstands on both sides. And again, with the big, beautiful windows. Yes, classic Airstream. Love them, love them, love them. And they're on my side as well. And again, another nightstand and more of that wonderful storage. And I do love that they're backlit up there. In fact, speaking of that, they are also lit when you open them. It lights up. These are my little storage bins for all of my clothes. And I have 6 more of those underneath the bed. And then at the foot of the bed, you will see that there is a TV there as well. And there you have it, the tour that a lot of you have asked for. I am curious though, if any of you are interested in knowing all of these fabulous places that we go camping, if you want to know, put a comment below and I can very easily come up with a video of all the wonderful campgrounds we go to, because trust me, we've been to some great ones. And if you are interested in more RV or camping stuff, that is the fun part of the Spicy Apron. Please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you will be alerted every time a new video comes out. So thank you for tuning into the Spicy Apron and I will see you next time. Life is good, life is good.